Alrighty, welcome back to JJ's shop. Today we're back on the KLR 650. We've been soaking the tank now in Evapo-rust for about 200 years now. About 200 years?
Yeah, something
about
like
200
that.
years, Jeffrey. Well, at least a couple days anyway. So
About a week.
we do have a video. Is that on this video, Jeffrey? Or is that going to be on the first video? We should do a side-by-side. Jeffrey's going to set up a side-by-side because we actually took a picture inside of this tank before the Evapo-rust. Now Jeffrey's going to take a picture inside of this tank after Evapo-rust. We just dumped the Evapo-rust out. We haven't done a rinse or anything like that. We just dumped it out. Right now we're going to do a rinse, but we want to take a look and see what the inside of that tank looks like now after soaking and just soaking in Evapo-rust. No agitation, no rinse. We may have turned it, from this side to that side and that side a little bit just to make sure that we got it all up and around on the sides. But we didn't do any agitation. No nuts and bolts and rocks and stuff like that in there, just Evapo-rust. So let's see what it looks like. What do you say, Jeffrey?
Yep.
What do you think it's going to look like?
A lot better, that's for sure.
It should look a little better. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Can you see it? Can you see that in there? Holy smokes, that looks good. Anyway, so as you can see, Evapo-rust works amazingly well. We are going to go ahead and do a little rinse because we do have some flakes at the bottom down there. Once we get all caught up in the petcock and the filter and stuff. We have a new petcock, a new filter. So what we're going to do right now, Jeffrey, is hang that light up there. And we're going to go over to the bench. We're going to remove that petcock. We're going to dump some of that Evapo-rust back into its buckets over here, being strained through a rag like we normally do. And dump some back in here with no petcock on here. Because these are vacuum. I can't believe that thing is sealing so good.
Yeah.
How good that thing is. That petcock is sealing, Jeffrey. Anyway.
Got a little bit more out.
That's what I really want. Is to get as much of it out as we can, and as much of that rust out in there that we can. As say, just the flakes down at the bottom, because that Evapo-rust did such a fantastic job. Oh, Jeffrey. Ah, my goodness gracious. That worked so good again already. Ah. That looks so good. That looks like brand new in there, Jeffrey.
That's great.
That Evapo-rust is good stuff. Nope. We are not sponsored by Evapo-rust. We do not have any well, I actually will put affiliation link on this video for Evapo-rust. We'll put an associates link on there, which means that if you buy Evapo-rust from our channel, I will receive a slight commission. You won't pay more. You'll pay the usual Amazon low price. Of course, get super fast shipping. You'll get all the benefits of ordering from Amazon. And Jeffrey and I will get a little benefit if you order it off our affiliate link. That's it. You'll see in our description that we we do have some of our stuff. This here impact, the one you see us doing lug nuts with and stuff. We have an affiliates link on there on one of our videos. It should be on all of our videos. We haven't figured that out yet, but it is on one of our videos.
One or two of them.
Yeah, we really do enjoy. It's a good impact, good cheap impact, durable, charge lasts. Comes with a few sockets here and stuff that are common sizes for today's lug nuts and tuners and stuff like that. Tuner keys. But anyway, we just want you guys to know that our affiliate link just allows us to get a little bit of a kickback, get paid a commission if you purchase from our link on our site, which helps us, of course, in the long run to
keep doing what we like to do.
Keep doing what we like to do to fund our projects. And we're just going to put the stuff up that we use from time to time that we really like. Wireless mics, those are on there. The camera that Jeffrey's slinging right now, that's on there. The stuff that we really use out here. Well, you can see the quality and see how it works by what we do. All right, enough of that, Jeffrey. Alrighty. So anyway, we're going to remove the old petcock, which is what we soaked this tank in. We don't care if it gets all clogged up more and more and more. But these are vacuum operated petcocks. You know what that means, Jeffrey? You know what that
Air
means?
from the engine.
There you go. She's got to be cranking to draw fuel out of this here, well, some people call them petcock, fuel shutoff valve. Maybe that's a more appropriate, family-friendly way to put it. Anyway, look at that. I'll never find that again. Oh, did you already? Well, that was good. So what do you think, Jeffrey? All that stuff before the Evapo-rust, you think that would have drawn any fuel? If there was a vacuum?
Probably not.
No, probably
not. Nope.
But anyway, this is where the line from the crankcase comes up, and then there's a little diaphragm.
Little brass fitting or something?
Yeah, and there's a little diaphragm and a spring in here. So as the motor's cranking, it makes the diaphragm go like that, and then it pumps fuel out here. So I really don't know how I feel about that system. Sure, it's safe, I guess, if something should happen. Fuel's not going to sit there and run all over the ground. And I guess if you're, you're down, but not out, you might actually survive whatever you went down from, and you need to get back up and get on your bike and get moving again. But you've been laying on the ground, out cold for a couple of weeks. You need gas back in your gas tank. It wouldn't do you any good to get back up and get going again if your gas tank was empty. So I guess it's okay, Jeffrey, but yeah. Okay. Anyway, so this thing's gonna need a little detail, Jeffrey, but that's all it's gonna need. This thing is,
yep, she'll clean up.
and we've got a lot of the Evapo-rust out of there, Jeffrey, but I think what we need to do is dump some of that back in the bottles over here, doing our strain thing. Dump a gallon back in here and do the slosh without the petcock, so as many of the big chunks and stuff go out the hole as possible. We've already gotten rid of a lot right there. But I'm just afraid that there's still some more that could be got out of there.
Yep.
Yeah, I think there's some more that could be got out of there, and I think we should got it out of there.
Yep.
And that way it doesn't plug up our new petcock.
That'd be a good idea.
That's a good idea. So it might still, we might have to do, a couple filter changes on this, to get it cleaned up. Why am I bringing this over here now? We're not even ready.
Well,
How about that? Let's just set that right there right now.
sure.
That's a good idea. All righty. This is going to be a 2-person job here. We probably don't need to film all this, do we, Jeffrey?
Nope.
Pretty sure people know how to pour stuff back in buckets and stuff like that.
Yep.
All we're going to do is strain it through a rag, so we
Into a
catch all the
funnel.
big chunks. Yeah, through a funnel.
And then go back in those containers.
Exactly. So we'll get
Yep.
back to you after we get that done. While the tank is sitting there draining on the floor, we'll mop that up. It's just Evapo-rust. We're going to put the new. We need a little more room here, Jeffrey. Let's move this.
Yeah.
Move this thing back a little bit here. There we go. How's that?
Yep.
How's that? We're going to put the new ignition relay on. Okay.
There.
So, remember where these all went, Jeffrey?
Nope.
Which side is which?
Nope.
Me neither. There we go. I think it went that way. I don't see a positive or negative side on there or anything. Do you? No?
No.
Okay.
Sure.
So, what's that? Oh, that's the negative, or the other side. Okay. Well, I think go. All right. Are you recording?
Yep.
All right. What we're going to do here, Jeffrey, we're going to go this side here. Why? Because it seems that that's the way it wants to go on.
Sure.
So we'll put that side on there. Was there any other wires on here other than the two that I'm about to put on and the plug?
That's a good question.
Do we want to cross-thread that? Probably
No.
not. Okay, it's not cross-thread.
Yeah, might want to go easy on that.
I'm going to go easy on that one. So the posts here are copper. So that's what Jeffrey is saying. We don't want to
This copper is soft.
yeah, we don't want to get the 250-pound impact on here
Nope.
and
Just hand tight.
sender.
Nope.
No.
Hand
We're
tight.
going to use the KLR 10, 12 millimeter wrench here. Because if we were out on the trail, that's exactly what we'd have to do this job with, right, Jeffrey?
Yep.
Would we have an extra starter relay with us?
Probably not.
Probably not.
But at least you could take it off.
We could get it off. So we could go get a new one
Yep.
if there was somebody there to take us to get a new one.
That's right. Don't ride alone.
No, never, ever ride alone. Unless you're Itchy Boots.
Apparently.
Apparently, she's okay with riding alone. Think she's out on a ride now? She might be out on a ride now.
Who knows?
She might be. Should we have cleaned these things up a little bit, maybe?
Ah.
Might start doing things all the way correctly now, right, Jeffrey?
Well,
I mean, really.
if you're gonna do it, might as well.
Well, I'm absolutely positive I took that off of there, Jeffrey.
Sure. Oh.
Never find that again. That's not true. It's right there. Oh. Why? Why is that not one? There we go. Why did that just not want to start automatic for me there, Jeffrey? Just throw it at it and let it go. Right?
Nope.
No. Never works that way.
Yep.
Never. Be nice if I had a socket, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be nice if I had a socket?
It sure would be.
You got the 10mm socket there, Jeffrey? Wait,
Well,
look at that. You know what they say? The sun shines on every... Oh, no, that's not it. Blind squirrel. Even a blind squirrel finds a nut once in a while. Something like that.
apparently.
Something like that. Okay, here we go. Oh, is that the way that goes? This plug has two notched corners right there. So you can only put this in one way. I mean, if you grill it, you can put it in however you want. But you're not going to be happy with the outcome. It goes in a lot easier if you put it in the way it's keyed to go in, which is like that, right there.
Yep.
Then we take this, put this back on that right there, because you don't want this stuff shorting out when you're
Riding.
ripping down the trails.
Nope.
Don't want that happening. Then you want to push it back on these two metal tabs here. The rubber mount. It has two slots in it. And you can slide it right on to those two rusty old tabs right there. Oop, oop. And voila, you are mounted. That's it. Now, if we did everything correctly, hey, okay, so there we go. Did I undo the -2 or just the positive?
That's a good question.
That is a good question. Ah, looks like I just undid the positive, Jeffrey. I'm learning.
Apparently.
I'm learning. Guess it's true. You
Never
can,
too old to...
you can teach an old dog new tricks.
Apparently.
You certainly can. You certainly can. Now, do I use a socket or a wrench here? I'm going to use the sockets right here.
Yep.
10mm. Don't bump it against anything metal.
Try not to.
We'll find out if we have a charge in the battery that way.
That's for sure.
Hopefully we do.
Enough.
Hopefully. So, if everything is good now, Jeffrey, we should be able to turn on the key. Boom. We should be able to hit starter. Oh, we got to pull the clutch in. Put that on run.
That's a horn.
Jeffrey,
What's going on?
why ain't it working? Why ain't it working? Why ain't it working? We are on run. Why do we not have a start?
That's a good question.
Why do we not? That should have worked.
Do we have enough juice in the battery?
Oh, that's a good question.
That's for sure.
That is a good question. How about we do a little jump do and find out. How about it?
Sure.
Okay. So we had done this once before with the old one.
Aha.
We definitely have enough juice.
Apparently.
So why do we not have anything happening from the switch? Huh?
Might have to pull that switch off.
We might have to take a look at that switch, huh, Jeffrey?
Yep.
We just might have to take a look at
Might
that.
have to.
Okay. We have a black and yellow stripe and a black. It comes up into this harness here. Goes up into here. And you know what? You know what tends to be the problem with these a lot, Jeffrey, is the ground or a fuse.
Yeah, because didn't we work on another bike that or something?
Yeah,
That had ground issue or something?
exactly.
Yeah.
And again, this thing has been set outside. Blinkers, that's good. Brake light. Yep.
Yep.
Huh, everything else. All the other electricals seem to be good, Jeffrey.
Lights are fine.
Yeah.
So maybe it's ground for that switch.
There's a good possibility that we have a fuse blown. I really don't like how slowly that comes back, or not at all. Know what I'm saying? I really don't like, see how that,
Yep.
and that may be just the cables need some lube.
Maybe.
That's a good possibility. So anyway, let's forget about that. Let's
Yep.
find the, okay, that's the coil right there. This is a 650 single. That is amazing. You know how big that piston must be, Jeffrey?
Pretty big.
Size of a Folgers coffee can. That's what I'm thinking. I think it's got to be about the size of a Folgers coffee
Something
can,
like that.
right? Okay. Well, what do you say we take a look at the book over there? I don't really see
Yeah.
any
Hey,
fu-
now.
Hey.
Easy.
I don't see any fuses over here. This goes up into that harness. There. I wonder.
Let's go take a look at the book.
This one goes down. Well, we know where this works. It's just these
Yeah.
two here we have an issue. This black and yellow right here, which is this. Is that black and yellow? You think, Jeffrey?
Maybe.
You think that's it?
Could be.
Is there any place metal on this thing, or is the tank the only thing metal on there?
Well,
Yeah.
I hope it's metal.
Yeah.
It's an older bike, so it should have a steel frame.
Okay. Keys off.
Yep.
Let's let's take a look at this nasty old connection right here. Because I'm thinking that this is probably where it goes, right? So
Probably.
what we need to do is check voltage here,
Yep.
right? And then I don't know where that, I don't think that that's really going to be a ground. I think that this is actually going to come from the starter switch up here, right? It's in this wire here somewhere. So all we're doing when we hit the start button here, Jeffrey, is bridging that contact. So it's a split wire, right?
Yep.
Here, and then when you do that, you're doing just like what I do with the screwdriver here, only this thing here, this is a 12-volt relay switch, if you will, that switches that and makes that contact in here and starts the starter. So this could be that. It's obviously maybe a little corroded. We'll shoot some.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I can see it doesn't look very good in there.
Seen that one.
Yeah. So I think if we shoot it with some electrical cleaner spray up here.
Maybe.
Whoop. Hey.
Oh.
I'm not going to say it. We'll find it again. We'll find it. We're still draining over here. We're still draining. Here we go.
Yep.
This stuff right here. Electromotive. Electric parts cleaner. Also, not a sponsor.
Hold on. Get over here and say it.
Well, I got my microphone right here.
Yeah, but it's,
Also, not a sponsor. But it is the spray that we use here.
it's because it's what we have.
Motorcycles, car computers, car computer hookups. You haven't seen us do any car computer stuff yet, but
Yeah.
with that Mercedes, I'll bet you it's coming.
Probably.
What do you think, Jeffrey?
I think
You think
chances
it's
are
coming
high.
with that one?
Chances are high.
I agree. I agree with you. I think chances are really good. I don't think,
Apparently.
I mean, once we get this one running, I don't think we're going to go with this wire across the top of the seat here
Right.
or across the frame bar there.
Because that's a pinch point.
Exactly. Good. Good, Jeffrey. That's exactly why you don't want to do that. All right. What do you think? Did that do it? Would we get lucky enough, Jeffrey, that would be it?
Could a couple of guys get lucky enough?
Could a couple of fellers. No
Nope.
way.
Nope.
No.
It's
Not
never
a
that easy.
snowball's chance. That's like, I don't know why I keep doing that. Horn works good though.
Yep.
Why do all other buttons up here work so good, Jeffrey, but not this one? Could it maybe be our neutral safety switch up here? What do you
Maybe.
think? Maybe?
Maybe.
Well, that's certainly one place to look, isn't it?
Yep.
Is that a 10 millimeter? I'll bet you it is. Ford?
You should
Lexus.
take hints from Kawasaki.
Yeah. 1 wrench to rebuild the whole bike. Isn't that good? That's a good thing. Isn't that
Well,
good, Jeffrey?
Most of the bike.
Isn't that a
probably.
good thing?
No, yeah.
Uh-oh. How does that work? How does that work, Jeffrey? I mean, it's broken. It's not coming on. What? Is there another one on the bottom? What?
What?
Is there another one? There's another one on the bottom. Also, not sponsored. What a handy tool that is, huh, Jeffrey?
Yep.
I don't know who got that for us, but
Someone.
whoever did that, thank you. It's a really good one.
Well,
Oh, Jeffrey, that's not how that works.
no.
Yeah, I think I just.
It helps to see what you're working on
Well,
sometimes.
It does help to have a. Oh yes, it does. Has another one right there, and there is a neutral safety switch right there. See those wires? And there is going to be that neutral safety switch. But
Maybe.
yeah. So you know what we should do? First of all, Jeffrey,
What should we do?
we should check and see
For
if we actually have voltage.
yeah, that's a good idea.
Right?
That's a good idea.
We should check and see
Yep.
if we have voltage there. That's what we should do. Well, let's get we can get the plastic cover off though. We can do that.
Yep.
We can certainly do that. Is that 10 millimeter? Is it?
Nope.
Darn it. What did I do with our 10 millimeter? Oh, that's what fell on the floor over there.
No, it's a screwdriver.
Oh, how about that? Is that it? That's it right there.
Sure.
Okay. Where was I?
Sitting in front of your face.
Right here.
Of course.
Right in front of me. Where's the light? There it is.
Right there.
How come I can't keep everything where I need it?
Well,
There's nothing metal here. I mean, that's metal. Thank you, Jeffrey.
yep.
Right about there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get on that one without an extension. Maybe.
Might need one.
Might need an extension. Well, let's get going the right direction first.
Yep. What direction?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get on that. I'm gonna need to get an extension.
Yep.
All right. Inspecting the neutral safety switch. We're just looking for any smoking guns at this point. We need to check a few things, but all this stuff here should not, for any reason whatsoever, just come unscrewed or come loose. And it has. The bracket, this bracket, these screws came loose. Unbelievable. I can't believe it, but I got to. Staring me right here in the face.
Apparently.
Came loose. And look at how small these things are. These things should have been absolutely gone. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Jeffrey. They should have been gone. There shouldn't even be any screws left. Look at how small those things are.
Right.
So it's highly doubtful. Oops.
Well, there goes that.
There with that. But it is corroded.
Ooh.
It is corroded, Jeffrey.
Might have to get a new one of those maybe.
So here, you got the other screw? Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Yep.
So what happens is when you pull the clutch in, it slides this switch. It makes contact between these two right here and allows the bike to start. So when it's in the back position here, it won't start. When you go to the front position here, it will start. So can we make the contact here and make it work? And if we do, then we know we just need to clean this up, put it back together, clean that up, put it back together, and we're good to go. Right?
Sure.
Right? So I'll turn the key on. Key is on. That's plugged in. I will make the contact here, if you will. And if you could hit the starter.
Cams.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
I'll be dip.
Get a couple of fellers get lucky right there. So there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the whole problem right there. What we got to do is clean up our switch here. That part that just came out of our assembly right here. So all needs to be cleaned up. This part.
Those
Put
are
back
copper.
together. It is copper. So we could just get a little shot of that stuff there. Oh, where's our stuff? Oh, right here. I got it, Jeffrey.
Yep.
It's right here.
Right, you got it.
I got it right here.
Right where you left it.
A shot of this stuff here. Right? That there. Let's get a...
Well,
I don't need that right now. We'll find that in a minute. We'll give her a little cleaning up. That stuff really works pretty good. Look how clean that is already. I didn't sand on it or nothing.
oh boy.
Right? No foul, no nothing. Right?
Yep.
Oop. Then we want to hit this. Also. Can you believe it, Jeffrey? Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I got to, though.
Apparently.
I got to. It's right there. Okay. If it works, I'll be totally surprised. How does that go? They go in there. Uh-oh.
What'd you drop?
It.
Oh, never see that again.
We may never see that one again. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Oh, my word. Okay. So, oh, okay, it goes up there. There's a slot for it up there, Jeffrey. Right there. There's a slot for it right there. Then, we have to put this all back together down here where it belongs. Down here. Where it belongs. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. That might be important.
might be.
Maybe.
Yeah, that one on there somewhere. Oh, that's,
Yeah.
that's to get the wires. There we go. To give you
Here.
the spot for the wires to go, like that. See that there? Like that. And then that goes like that. And then I need one of those screws. Thank you.
Yep.
I just can't even believe that actually worked.
Well,
How did that work? Like that, so easily. How do we do that? Can we get that lucky with the C240? Can we? No.
or
Maybe.
even with the other dirt bike.
Ooh.
That sure would be nice.
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Get this one running, get that one running. Let's go
Man.
rip.
Telling you, we got projects up and coming.
Oh yeah. You also need to get the quad we have up and running, but
Ooh, that's true. We got to do a carburetor on that.
yep.
We do. We got to do a carburetor on that. We'll see how this one goes. If
Yep.
This one turns out to be okay.
Maybe.
Maybe we'll order one for the quad from the same place.
Maybe.
What do you think?
We'll see.
All right. All right. That part right there, Jeffrey. Yeah,
Somewhere.
got it.
Sure.
That's the one. Trade you.
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Oops.
And we're gonna see that again.
Maybe not. Maybe.
There we go.
Well.
Oh. Yep.
You know what, though?
Gas might help.
No.
No?
Somehow it's backwards.
What?
It's backwards.
Did you put it back in backwards? Maybe?
I don't know how I could.
Did you not put it together? Does the clutch need to be
Nope, it does not.
adjusted?
Mm,
A little,
no,
maybe?
No, because if I push it forward like that, it should have gotten it off of there.
Right.
Oh, well.
Well,
I'm okay with that. Starter on that one, Harley Davidson has never had a
Yep.
neutral safety. Neither does the KLR. Just saying.
sure.
It's okay. Okay. Well, Jeffrey, I think it's time to put the gas tank back together.
Maybe.
Put the gas tank on here. Put a little petrol in there. And
Here we go.
see what happens.
That's for sure.
What do you say?
Yep.
Okay. Well, let's head over to the bench and we'll do a little cleanup and get the fuel shut-off valve on the tank. Really not much to show over there. Well, I guess we might as well. We gotta put the screen and everything on. Might as well. We'll just stick with it, Jeffrey. Just
Sure.
stick with it. So,
Sure.
we have the fuel shut off, or the petcock, if you will, put back together in almost the same configuration. Jeffrey did point out that this tube over here is longer than this tube, which just means that I will have less gas between the main tank and reserve.
Sure.
So this one here would have shut down sooner when the gas got below here, letting me know I'm on reserve. This one here is going to shut down a little bit farther down. Again, not allowing me any more or less fuel, if you will, in between the main tank or the main and the reserve. But everything else looks good. Looks like the screw holes line up. I guess one thing we should check here is it looks different. These hole sizes, nope, they're the same. Same size, Jeffrey. Same size. They do not give you extra room
That's for sure.
to put these ones in. They do not give you extra room. That's all you get.
That's all you get.
Again, believe we have the part numbers for this stuff here. We will put down in the link for this here fuel shut off valve, and the carburetor that we got for this KLR here. And I'm absolutely positive that there's a torque spec on here, but
Probably good enough.
we just don't want it to leak. Tight enough to not leak. That's
Yep.
it. That's all you want. Tight enough to not leak. Okay, so unfortunately, this may be just about all we have time for tonight. I don't know.
Probably.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's probably all we have time for tonight. So we will come back and get this tank mounted on here. We have to figure out the fuel line routing and stuff, because
Anyways,
there's a few things I don't quite remember. Like we have this one. Oh, this is a vent. So this is just a vent. This one here is going to come from the crankcase. And this one here is going to be the fuel feed. So I think, and we had the kit actually came with new lines for this stuff here and an inline filter. So I'm pretty happy with that. As long as everything works here, I'm going to be extremely happy. We did get the maker turnover button go. That was good. So as much as we would really like to just take the extra time here and get this tank on and get this started tonight, we're actually that close. I think we're gonna go ahead and call this one a close tonight, and we will start the next video with mounting the tank, getting the gas in it, running the fuel lines here, so that you'll know the routing on those, and
maybe even starting it.
we may even start her and take her for
Maybe.
a little rip, is what I'm saying.
Maybe.
But again, we thank you guys for joining us again here tonight at JJ's shop, and we ask that if you would please hit that subscribe button. Jeffrey's got it down here somewhere. Hit
Somewhere
that
down there.
subscribe button. Hit the like button. Share it with your friends, if you will. And by all means, please leave us a comment. That helps us maintain this channel and keep projects like this going. Thank you again.